What's up, Airsoft Atlanta TV? Today I'm bringing you 3 different pistols, but they are all Smith & Wesson M&Ps. So let's get to looking at them. I have 2 VFC gas blowbacks, and then I have a KWC. This is a CO2 version, non-blowback. Now let's look at the differences between the two and the similarities. The gas blowbacks obviously are run by either green gas or propane. The magazine is the reservoir, flip upside down, charge for about 4 to 6 seconds. Okay, load your BBs into the magazine, and then you're good to go. On each time you pull the trigger, it is going to cycle like a real pistol would, and when you're out of ammunition, it'll lock back like a real pistol would. Alright, now the velocities for these are going to be a little bit slower because 1, they're pistols, and 2, the blowback feature uses some of the gas, so that limits the velocity to a degree. Now, for the CO2, the magazine is also where the reservoir is housed, but the reservoir is going to be a 12-gram CO2 canister. Take the Allen key that comes in the package, remove the bottom of the magazine, insert the CO2 canister, and then we just close it right back up. Keep screwing until we have a good seal. Then you will load with BBs, load inside the gun, and you're ready to shoot. As far as licensing goes, every one of these has full licensing on them. The CO2 version has it printed on. The VFC versions have them engraved. With that being said, I guess all we gotta do is just take these things to the range, see how they perform.
What the? Engage. Doing the CO2 version. Engaging.
For the complete lineup of our gas weaponry, please visit www.airsoftatlanta.com.